Alright, there you go, Pauline. Alright, there you go, Beth.
Get me in a rough moment. I never give her an order.
Is he for real? Miss Diva, what you got to say to the video?
Honey! Well, I just met a Brazilian man. He just bought me a drink, but I don't drink. I gave it to Beck. You see what I'm saying? So I'm the decoy that's walking up around here. Then, well, I don't know what that all is, but I got the waiter. You know what I'm saying? I put the ball in my mouth, and his name is Daniel. And basically, you know what I'm saying? His little curtain down below, that just little apron started moving, so the tip of it got big. You know what I'm saying? But oh, Daniel, I was talking about you. Daniel, I was talking about
I got this all on tape.
Money man in the building, man. We chilling, man. Big Holl in the building. Sister Sandra Rock in the building. That's how we do it. I would keep the freestyle for y'all right now, but we chilling. We all happy. We in a good mood. The ladies in the good mood. Got my niggas out here. You heard me? Wingo over there chilling. We got the young boys. BC over there chilling.
We see BC. Oh, Daniel, y'all in the way. Go ahead.
You all up in the way.
Go ahead, BC.
You heard me?
look at what you see. Look at what.
You already know we out here, man.
157. Everybody ordered a different drink. Right.
All right, babe, you're back on the camera.
Exactly. I don't even know. You got everything. Everything's down there. Let out. Better want it out. That's it, yeah, but the card is one. Get it out. Work it out.
What's the bill?